Did you know that learning at slower pace is not a weakness, but actually a hidden strength? In this session, we will explore three research-backed techniques that helps learner not just memorize but truly understand and retain information for long term. These methods are especially valuable in professional learning environments where deep comprehension is critical for performance and development. Hi, I am Samir Raj, an L&D expert, and welcome to Unlock L&D with Samir Raj. On this channel, we focus on evidence-based strategies to improve learning outcomes in organizations. Today, I will show you how to design training and learning experiences that leverage your base natural capacity for long-term retention. Let's get started. 1. Focus time chunks. Concept is very simple. Deep learning occurs in short, concentrated period rather than long, unfocused study session. This is perfect for professional training where attention spans vary and material can be complex. Now, how to apply? Break any topic or module into small, manageable segments. Spend 20 minutes fully focused on one piece. No distraction, no phones, no emails. Follow each session with a 5-minute active break. Use it to stretch, review key points aloud, or jot down quick reflection. Avoid passive activities like scrolling. Now I'm telling you why it works. It prevents cognitive overload and burnout. It reinforces concepts through concentrated repetition. Ideal for foundation skills, compliance training, or complex procedures. For example, in corporate onboarding, instead of presenting a full 2 hours module on company policies, divide it into sections like workplace safety, data privacy, and ethics, and so on. Focus on one section at a time with short exercises or quizzes. Then take a 5-minute break to reflect or summarize key takeaways. Now it's time to technique 2. Feynman technique. This technique is known as Feynman technique. Now it's time to understand its concept. Concept is very simple. Learners truly understand material only when they can explain it simply. This method is excellent for L&D professionals designing sessions that encourage active comprehension over passive memorization. Now the question is how to apply. See, after covering a concept, ask learner to explain it in their own words, as if teaching someone completely new to the topic. Second, encourage analogies or simplified examples. And third, identify gaps where explanation become complex or confusing. Now I'm telling you why it works. It converts surface learning into deep conceptual understanding. It highlights gaps in knowledge early. And it supports active recall and reflection during short breaks. For example, in training session or project management, ask participants to explain risk management to a new colleague using a simple analogy. Like managing risk is like checking weather before a picnic. You prepare for what could go wrong. Now, technique 3. This technique is known as story chain method. Again, concept is very simple. Human brain retain narratives far better than isolated facts. Linking information into meaningful stories helps professionals remember procedures, frameworks, and case studies more effectively. Now, question is how to apply. Connect new learning to prior knowledge or real-world examples. Encourage learner to create visual or humorous mental images. Use sequences, process, or case studies to form a story chain. Now I'm telling you why it works. It strengthens long-term memory by building network of connected concepts. It makes abstract or complex ideas relatable and memorable. And it increases engagement in corporate workshops, especially for compliance or process-heavy topics. For example, teaching the steps of sales funnel, create a simple story. Raj, the salesperson, meets a potential client, engages them in conversation, nurture the relationship, and finally closes the deal. Each step forms a vivid, connected narrative. Technique 4. Take back method. See, after learning, teaching the material solidifies mastery and encourages peer-to-peer learning. This technique is highly effective in corporate environment to reinforce learning outcomes. Now, how you are going to apply? Pair learners and have them teach a concept to each other. Encourage feedback and clarification of misunderstood points. And integrate this method into team training, mentorship program, or workshops. Now it's time to understand why it works. It reinforces knowledge retention. It enhances communication and collaboration skills and turns learning into mastery, creating confident and knowledgeable employees. For example, after a cybersecurity module, employees teach colleagues about phishing email detection using simple, clear language. This reinforces both comprehension and practical application. Now it's time for key takeaways. Slow learning is deep learning. Technique like focus chunks, Feynman, and story chains enhances understanding and retention. Take-back method ensures mastery and practical application. L&D professional can apply this technique to training sessions, workshops, and coaching programs to maximize learning impact. Stop rushing through content. Think of a learning as a marathon, not a sprint. Apply this technique consistently in your learning program or professional development session, and you will see measurable improvement in understanding and retention. Subscribe to Unlock L&D with Samir Raj for more practical learning strategies tailored to L&D professionals. Try implementing one of these techniques in your next session and observe the impact. Your learners' engagement and retention will thank you. Keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching till end. Thank you.